Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to this intro. So these are the few requested videos that you guys have already done. Thank you so much for the request, and these are the recent uploads. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, do take a moment to watch out my previous videos. These are the few videos that I've recently uploaded, and do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, and please do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All my handles will be in the description box, and that's pretty much. Thank you so much for your support, and do keep supporting me, and lots of love, and that's it.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So you must be wondering, this is a different background. Yes, actually I have come to my mother's house, which is Nagpur, and I think in the previous vlogs also I have already mentioned that I am at my mother's house. I'm not sure whether you guys are updated or not, so I'm just kind of I will be making a separate video of the entire room tour. So this is the entire room where I was raised since my, I think, 11th class. So this room is very close to my heart, and I will make a separate video of the entire home tour. But as of now, as you all know from the today's video, the video is going to be about the Purple Hall, and very soon back to back I will be filming a video of about the winter skincare routine. So yes, I have ordered few things keeping in mind that the winters are already there. So I've purchased few products, some for me, some for my mom. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So the two things that I got for my mom, I'll start with them first. The first thing is this is an anti-aging Lotus Herbals White Glow Skin Whitening and Brightening Nourishing Night Cream. So this is the cream that I purchased for my mom. That's how the cream looks like. It's a night cream. So usually she loves Lotus and One Good Vibes night cream. I will be letting you know. So this is the tub that you are getting, and I think this was for like $2.95 or something. Uh, yeah, so that is that, $2.95 of the product. And when you open this, you get a very decent amount of product, and the texture is somewhere like this. So this is a new pack. She have already completed her last one. So she loved this night cream over I think over any other night cream. So I think that's why I have given this. This is for all skin type, and the texture is really creamy, and I think this is a very good product. I really love it. The product comes with all the list of ingredients and everything mentioned in the leaflet. So yeah, definitely you will get that details as well in the entire box. The second thing that I got from my mom is this avocado anti-aging face gel. So this is the face gel. This is again an anti-aging cream. This have avocado, and I think we all are aware of it. It is an amazing anti-aging product. This is a sealed packaging. She have already finished her first one. So yeah, she was left with a little bit, or she have already finished this one. This is great anti-aging, and I think she loves this cream over any other cream. So, and first of all, this is for $4.95. This has a good expiry of 22, and this retails for 175 rupees. The avocado gel looks like this. So this is a beautiful gel. I think you guys can easily go ahead and get that. The other products are, I have tried another gel. I have tried this is a Good Vibes orange gel. I kind of used it for like a week or so because of the tan. Like, I mean, this is winters, and in winters I am sure that everybody is facing the tan problem. So I am also facing a lot of tan problem. So I gave this orange gel a try, and it worked great. I have used a lot of this product over a week. So the consistency of the gel is somewhere like this. It has citrus flavor, like orange. It's a kind of gel formulation. My skin is a combination skin, so obviously this suits me very well. Let me give you a very close pic of it. This is an orange gel. Definitely it removes tan. 100 gram of product, and I think this ranges for 215, but definitely in purple there is a huge discount going on, so you can definitely grab that. I think I got this in a discount, like buy 3 and pay for 2 ka something offer I got. So definitely go ahead and check that. All the ingredients have been mentioned. Now we all know that the Good Vibes is something which is free from parabens, sulfate and any of those SLS and all of the chemicals. So I think you can definitely go ahead. This was for 250, which is very affordable, and you get 100 gram of product, and I think it is a huge tub, so you will get a really good quantity. I think this will last for like 2 to 3 months easily. So this is for the combination skin. I am not sure for other skin type it will suit or not, but for the combination it suits a lot. Like I love this you know, gel over any other gel. Like previously I have tried the Rose Hip range, but I think I love this more over any other thing. My hands are really tan, guys. Compared to face, my hands are really tanned because I don't know winter what happens. They are really tanned. The next thing that I got for myself is the Rose Hip. Now this is my all-time favorite Good Vibes Rose Hip gel. Now this, let me show you close pic. This is again 100 gram of product, and the price is again 215, and this I've used a lot, like a lot. This is a kind of rose hip, so it acts as an anti-aging. It helps to remove the blemishes, scars and everything that you get. So everything, it has glycerin, it has potassium sorbate and a lot of other products, and I think this is also free from chemicals and everything. So this is also for 215 rupees, and I really love this product over any other cream. Like whether it be summer, winter or anything, I can't do in the daytime with this cream. Definitely orange, I always you know, use it in the afternoon or something like that. The next thing that I got is a beautiful vitamin C serum. This is from Alps Goodness Vitamin C. I have used this like for a week, and trust me, I have a lot of breakouts because of my menstruation periods, and trust me, this helped me a lot, like a lot. It has a beautiful smell. I can't tell you how beautiful the smell is, and it is very easily absorbed in your skin. Like I can show you, it got so nicely absorbed. See, so nicely it got absorbed. So I love this, you know, cream. I don't know how, and I fell in love with this cream. This was like for 161 rupees. Usually vitamin C serums are really costly, but I really love this. I love the fragrance and the way it worked on my skin. Mine is combination, but it did a very good job, guys, trust me. The next product is Peppermint and Coffee Anti-Oxidation Body Scrub. Now this winter my skin, as I already mentioned, is getting too much tanned, and I have to really take care of my tanning. So I'm using this. This is having a shelf life till 2023, which is again a great thing, and I really love this. And this is again from Good Vibes. It has a very good peppermint smell, and the coffee scrub is always very good for removing your tan. Honestly, trust me, M Caffeine from the coffee range was also something which I loved, and I'm still using. This is in the form of powder, so you have to make a thin paste with the help of rose water or the simple water, and then apply it all over your body. I have used it like for a week, and it have actually helped removing my tan. Can you see the difference? It did remove my tan to a greater extent. So this is that. And the last product is lip balm. How can we do without a lip balm? So that is a lip balm from Blue Heaven. It is in the cocoa butter range, and I really love that lip balm over any other. So that is all the product that I got from the Purple haul. They were really affordable. So if I sum up all the price of this, I got it for like 600 ka range, and it turned out to be supremely good. I really love all the products. I've used it for a week, and then I kind of shared the review, and I really loved it. They were very affordable, like everything under 300, like everything under, actually 200, but this anti-aging cream was like 295. So everything under 300 is something I got from Good Vibes, and I really love this. So that's pretty much. Very soon, back to back, I will be filming video about my winter skincare routine. So stay tuned to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for any other updates. And very soon I will be uploading the entire room tour of my hometown and also the entire house tour. So stay tuned to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.